If you drive a modern diesel vehicle, whether it is a heavy-duty pickup truck or a German luxury sedan, you have likely seen a separate fill cap next to your diesel tank, usually blue, which is for a fluid known as AdBlue or diesel exhaust fluid. Many people mistake this for a fuel additive, but it actually never touches the engine or the fuel itself. AdBlue is a precise mixture of 32.5% high-purity urea and 67.5% deionized water. Its sole purpose is to clean up the dirty emissions that diesel engines are famous for. Inside your exhaust system, there is a component called the Selective Catalytic Reduction system. As the toxic exhaust gases travel down the pipe, the car injects a fine mist of AdBlue into the stream. The heat causes a chemical reaction that transforms dangerous nitrogen oxides, which are harmful pollutants, into harmless nitrogen and water vapor that exit the tailpipe. It is a brilliant solution that allows diesel engines to run efficiently while meeting strict environmental standards. However, you cannot ignore it. Your vehicle's computer carefully monitors the level of this fluid, and if you let the tank run dry, the car will usually enter a limp mode with significantly reduced power. Or it might not restart at all until you refill it. You can top it up yourself at most gas stations or auto parts stores, and the dashboard will give you plenty of warnings before you run out. Just remember that it is corrosive to paint and metal, so if you spill any while refilling, you should wipe it up immediately with water.